eHow.com. I'm a licensed medical esthetician, and I want to talk to you about the benefits of raw eggs for your skin. You know, the protein from eggs is really absorbed by the skin, which helps with the hydration of your skin. It also can help to treat things like acne scars, textural issues of the skin, and it's so easy to do, this little raw skin mask. Just wait. So look, if you have dry skin like me, you're going to want to use the entire egg. If you have oilier skin, then you really just want to use the egg whites. And the first thing you want to do is take a warm towel. Now, I like to wet a towel and stick it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And you place that over your face. Feel that steam coming out? Oh my gosh, that feels so good. This is going to help to really open your pores. And then once those pores are open, take your egg. And if you don't know how to separate an egg, it's so simple. You crack it, the whites are going to start to come out automatically, and then all you do is just shuffle that yolk from shell to shell until you get all the whites. Then from there, you just want to take a fork, whip up the egg whites for a few seconds till they get a little bit frothy. Then you take a facial brush, and here's a little tip. If you don't have facial brushes, you can go to any craft store and buy a pack of like 10 paintbrushes, soft tip paintbrushes for like $5. They work just as well as facial brushes, and they're super cheap. You take the little egg white mixture, brush it right over your face, leave this on for about 10 or 15 minutes. The egg whites are going to help to really tone and tighten the skin. It's like getting a natural facelift. And then you take your warm towel, wipe it right off. If you need a little extra hydration, you can use a vitamin E tablet, cut it in half and just squeeze that oil all over your skin. Or if you have hyaluronic acid, this is a great natural humectant, really makes the skin dewy and moist. And that's how you do a raw egg facial, the non-surgical facelift. For eHow.com, I'm Kelly West.